in the garden, July the 9th, 2026. We've got blueberries. I'm picking and eating blueberries as they ripen. Nice one. Got some carrots coming along here. The beets are ready to be pulled. The new strawberry bed plantings are ready here as they come along. Here, strawberry season is over. This is called a butterfly weed. Attracts pollinators. The eggplant's growing but not producing anything yet. Onions are ready to be harvested wherever we need them. Cauliflower coming along, trying to set some heads. Lettuce coming along. That lettuce is bolted. The green beans are just starting. Soon they'll be picking size. Butternut squash. Another cauliflower. The tall peas, they're just about over. The corn, the early corn's just starting to tassel. Some cabbages in the little covered containers. Later corn is coming along. One eating tomato. Over here we've got the paste tomatoes. I'm trying to grow them on a trellis platform this year to keep them off the ground, keep them from getting rotten and eaten by the voles. Asparagus is over. Peppers, way down there, the peppers. They're starting to come along, starting to set fruit. Up here, we've got the potatoes. Looks like there's some potato bugs starting to show up. Have to dust them soon. Delicata squash is blooming and climbing. Picked the first zucchini today. There's the zucchini plants. They're starting to get big and running all over the place. And that's it.